Gisborne's Commonwealth Games medallist Sydnee Andrews came home to a big and passionate welcome this morning when she stepped off the plane at Gisborne Airport. Family and friends were there along with 74 students from her childhood primary school, Mangapapa School, to celebrate her return home. The students performed a passionate haka and waiata to welcome her back to Tairāwhiti that had everyone's attention in the airport terminal. The 19-year-old won the bronze medal in the women's over 78 kg class in judo at the Birmingham Games. In the fight for bronze, she defeated Northern Ireland's Sarah Hawkes. Sydney fought in the Under-20 World Championships in Ecuador on her way home, where she won her first fight but lost her second to bow out of that competition. Her mum and dad, Michelle Lexmond and Darren Andrews, and other family members were there to meet her with lots of hugs this morning. We're super proud of her. She's done an amazing job, awesome job, her father said.
Very proud of Sydney.
Super proud. Yeah, quite emotional. There's a bit of a tear to the eye.
Her mum added, "It's just so good that through judo, Sydney has been able to experience the world." It's just the beginning for her, really, her mum said.
Although my heart was in my chest at one stage watching her fight, it always gives me heart attacks. But no, she was determined. She knew she was going to be on the podium. And she was, so next time will be gold, she reckons. Mayor Stoltz was on hand to formally welcome Sydney home.
So on behalf of everyone in Tairāwhiti, congratulations. We watched you. I'm sure when you won, you could hear us clapping right here from Gisborne. So on behalf of us, welcome home.
Jason King from the judo club was at the airport. He's trained Sydney since she was just 5 years old. It's special what she has been able to achieve. For a young person from Gizzy in a small club like ours to achieve what she has achieved, and she has a lot more to give yet, he said.
It's something that all coaches dream of, and like she said in some of her interviews on the TV, when she's on the TV, dreams do come true. It's one thing to represent your country in a sport, but to go over and compete for the Commonwealth Games level and to medal is just a bonus,
The centre of attention herself, Sydney was rapt to be home and wrapped with the welcome.
I'm proud and to bring it back home and obviously have such a beautiful welcome is quite touching.
And she reckons next time the medal will be gold.
And I'm going to get gold at the Olympics, so this is just the start.
Whoa,
I know,
well played, girl.
Only
That's
19, but I've got so much ahead of me. And for these young kids too, they've got a great future ahead.